So if you're looking for a way to keep you cool, especially around your neck and head, because maybe you're outside waiting in line at an amusement park, you're going out camping, or maybe you're watching a ball game, something like that, you might want to give this neck fan from Warmco some consideration. It's got a lot of features. So it does, of course, it comes with a power cord here, and it's got a 5200 milliamp hour battery, which means it does have a 15-hour runtime. Now it's pretty light too. It's right around 12.5 ounces. On the side here, this is where we're going to go ahead and just turn it on. When we turn it on, you're going to see we've got 3 lights here. That's let you know the battery power. Now this does have 3 speeds. So when you press it, just go to speed 2, speed 3, and then it's going to go to off. We've got 2 fans right here. And when I turn it on, you're going to see those 5 blades spin. And it gets really a nice, gentle flow of air. And it's not loud either. So this is something, if you want to, you could wear it inside. Maybe you're going to be in a library, for instance, and everything's got to be quiet. You're definitely not going to be able to hear this because it's just really nice and gentle. I recently took this outside, let my family try this out while we went to an outdoor band concert. It was around 93 degrees, super humid, and everybody wanted to wear it. It felt fantastic. Now this is pretty flexible, so it's really easy to put on. You just lay it like this. You're going to lay it so it curves to your body. And also these fans right here, they're actually adjustable. Each one individually. You can adjust this up to a 60-degree angle, and you don't have any hard plastic up against your neck. This is silicone, so it's kind of cushiony. We've got these little dots here. So that way all your skin isn't contacted against here all at once. It's kind of spread out. That helps keep you cool too. Now I do appreciate the seller sending this to me so I can go ahead and give you my honest opinion about it, because I do like the design. It's easy to use. It's very flexible. The controls are 1 button. It's got 3 speeds on here. And the fans themselves, you can adjust those individually up to 60 degrees. Hope you found this review helpful.